Welcome to this video about LS Core, where we're going to discuss a new way to decrease implementation and training time, yet still having a fully functional nav system up and running using a combination of default data as well as your customer's own data. My name is Mike McBurney and I'm a consultant for LS Retail. With so much functionality available within LS Nav, the possibilities are endless. However, the challenge faced with additional functionality is additional complexity to get a retail operation up and running. With the movement towards cloud offering and reduced time in generating the LS Nav environment, there's a need to also reduce the time and complexity for applying data into these environments for your customers. To reduce the amount of time spent configuring and training each customer, LS Core is used to rapidly implement LS Nav for customers using pre-configured data defined by you as the partner and the customer's own unique data. LS Core was designed to reduce the time it takes to implement an LS Nav operation for customers in your sales pipeline, streamline your implementation process, allowing you to market to customers that typically would not be available due to traditional implementation consulting costs, improve ongoing retail operations with new functionality, and allow your team to focus on areas other than data entry and management. LS Core is designed so that the data and structure being implemented can be configured by you, our partners, to reflect the needs of your business and your customers' business needs. Included with LS Core is configuration for small to medium business with relation to a simple retail model. However, this is fully customizable with no development required. This process utilizes Microsoft's RapidStart infrastructure as part of Dynamics Nav with a few enhancements that we've created so that you have the ability to easily control the data and how it's applied, while also creating a streamlined process for your customers to be able to apply both default data and their own custom data. So as mentioned before, LS Core comes included with package data that can be used out of the box for a simple retail operation. This is fully configurable by partners to add or modify the data that is to be used for a customer and how that data is applied, whether it's using static data, which the customer cannot change, or by utilizing the customer's own unique data, or a modification of the static data that will better meet those customers' needs. You have control over what data is being applied, the way in which it's being applied, as well as what order it is to be applied. When all of the data packages and XML files are completed and provided to customers, the customer accesses a single area within LS Core to import the packages and the XML files. So what will happen is the customer will be able to go and point this page to import from a folder, and everything in that folder, all the XML files and package files, will be brought in. Thus, there will be less chance of something being missed during the import stage. And once it's all imported, or it's going through the import process, the XML files will have been imported and applied directly, and the RapidStart files are imported and await the user to interact. The customer uses the same centralized process to apply the data, whether it's static or custom. And this includes pre-configured data, which is data that is configured by you that typically will not change, user configuration data, which is the customer's own unique data, as well as an improved way to enter opening general ledger balances, as well as opening item inventory and cost by location. With LS Core, we've made improvements in other areas of the system that typically require extensive knowledge of the different tables and structures, and created a streamlined process that allows customers to create complete, complex data configuration using single pages and processes. An example of this is store creation, where a single page is used by the customer to create the store, while the process that runs during the creation process will create the desired number of terminals, the replenishment configuration, transfer routes, distribution location sublocations, schedule a job include exclude lists, and much more. We have also improved the method of creating new items by utilizing a single page, very similar to the store creation process, where customers can go and create an item, and then all the dependent table data will be created as part of a process on completing the create item stage. Also included are improved methods of managing sales prices and purchase prices, as well as simplified pages for areas of the system used in simple retail operations such as purchasing, store, terminal, etc. And thank you for your interest in LS Core. Bye now.